Okay, Liam, so it looks like you broke your clutch here. Now, did you break that in like a cool crash or something?
No, I broke it kickstarting it.
So how do you break something kickstarting it?
I tipped over.
Yeah, that'll do it, right? Okay, so I knew all along that with the stock levers, you know, if they bend and break, kind of ruins your day. So I had on the checklist to get some that fold back. But this guy right here is my little saver. And so what I did is I looked them up, and some ASV levers would have cost me about 60 a piece for the clutch and brake. So I was going to be into this 120, but he saw the new Protaper ones out there that were a little bit fancier, and that's what he wanted. He wanted that look for it. So being the saver that he is, he bought the brake lever himself, which is still a hefty 60 bucks. And then I went ahead and bought the clutch lever, which put me at my original $120 cost. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna get the stock levers off. We're gonna see how good these new ones are. Check out their adjustability for his little hands and see if these adult levers can't adjust well to the grip range that he prefers. So we'll go ahead and get these installed. In the meantime, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and let's get this started. Okay, and one more quick disclaimer on here. I forgot my microphone stuff at home. I don't know where it is, I'm missing parts. So today, if you're ever curious what the stock audio of a GoPro Hero 8 sounds like, that's what we're gonna be using. All right, so what we got for the parts is here is the clutch lever. This is pretty straightforward. On here, we'll get this mounted to the handlebars, feed the clutch through here, and then the brake setup. I'm sure it's not hard, but I gotta look at how this goes. So we're gonna start with letting Liam here take apart his bike and make him get his hands dirty.
Take this thing off.
Okay, Liam. So let's go ahead and start by loosening your bolts right here on the perch. So you got to get both of those broke free. Now hold your wrench straight. Nope, that's a 10. Those are 8s.
This is 8.
That's a 12.
What's this?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
What was that? Oh.
Here.
Got it.
Together. There you go.
Wait, it's still too loose. How do people do that so quick?
Okay, then we're just gonna unscrew the cable and then it'll pop right out. Okay, so as part of the preparation process, you got to pull the parts here where the cables are gonna go and the back cover off, and we've got a plastic sleeve for the handlebar. So step 1 is gonna be to put this plastic piece on. Okay, so we've got that. So the next step is to put the plastic sleeve on. So we're not going for any fancy spot, just back where it was before. Okay, Lyd, we're gonna film with my iPhone from here because we can get much more zoomed in. So if we didn't show it well, we took this plastic sleeve off, slid that over the cable, and then we're getting this on here. I'm not gonna tighten it very tight yet because I still wanna play with it for how high we want it adjusted for him. So we'll keep moving through the steps here. So we had to go off camera there for a second. So, but with this loosened all the way, feed the cable through. And what I did, since I had extra hands, is I had my dad put a pair of pliers over the clutch cable and pull it in. So I had plenty of slack on here. And now what we did is we lowered it down to the height he likes. And one of the things I love right now is the Yamaha came with the clutch adjustment right here. But if we listen to this one, we've got nice adjustments along the way. So now what we're going to try to do is get a baseline for this dude's hands because we've got some adjustment points we can make on here. So now we're going to work on adjusting this, and we've got this one set basically at 0 as a starting point. And the instructions say to start with this adjustment screw. Now he says he wants it back, but if you look at a kid's hands, his fingers aren't as long. So go ahead and watch this move as I turn this. So I'm going clockwise and watch the handlebar move. So now we can actually dial in where the start of the grip is. So that's in all the way right there. Once you've got that approximately where you want, then this dial gives you further adjustments. So this right here is adjusting this angle, and then this is adjusting this. And so we can get the reach and angle dialed in to what he likes. So that's what we're gonna work on. We're gonna play with this for a little bit, get these two set. Once this one's set, we'll tighten the Allen and then we'll move on to the brake. Okay, so we've got them adjusted in here with this kind of tilted in some, not all the way. And then we're at a -1 of the 6 adjustments. And this feels really nice, barely any play. Nice clutch feel. And now next time he crashes, it won't go. I took the boot off of the brake. This is much easier to install. This is just take this bolt off. And then we've got the new replacement one on here. But again, he's got similar adjustments. So we'll go ahead and get those replaced now. Okay, so the brakes installed. That was pretty easy, except for this cover. That was the hardest part. So pretty basic. What we found the best way to adjust these is pull them forward so you have no slack. And then turn the knob. So for the brake, he is at the full -3. So that is the closest possible. Now the clutch did have the extra adjustments on here. So he's at a -2 based on where we put the screw. So the only thing left to do from here is just get it running, get the clutch slack adjusted. And then Liam, what do you say about gearing up and going for a ride and let everybody see you use them?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a new GoPro mount. I think it's called the Dango Designs. I don't know. But anyway, we'll clip this onto his helmet and go take a ride on a 2-stroke.
Did he get in there and get you?
Get him out, get him out, get him out.
Oh, here, get off. Get off. Go have your dad give you a hand. Go, go, go. I'll take care of your bike. Have your dad work on it. Grandma can put meat. Grandma can put some tenderizer on.
Is that it right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see it?
It's not too bad. Come here. Is that a sting? I think it is. But was it a bee or did you get bit? Come look, Dad.
I don't know what that is.
It burns.
Yeah, why don't you throw a shoe on real quick and let Grandma put some meat tenderizer on there.
Well, how do you like that? Getting stung by a bee when he's trying to test out his new levers. Good job coming back and not panicking there, bud.
Yeah, he did all that.
Okay, let's get geared up.
Anyway,
How do they feel? How do you like the new Protapers?
I like them.
You like them? They adjusted good?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we can always adjust them. Your clutch looks a little high, but if you like it, you like it.
I like it.
Okay. It's getting loose out here.
What?
The dirt's all loose out here.
I know.
That's what happens when it dries out and you ride a bunch. Go, I'm gonna follow you.
You have a GoPro on you?
Yep. Okay, so we're done. Between riding, getting stung by bees, and just all the things of life, we got a little distracted here. So hopefully you guys find some enjoyment in this video. These parts were definitely worth it. I would actually order them for my bike, but looking at my 450L, it's got a little electrical wire for the clutch, which you could probably just cross over, no big deal. And then I've got my mirror mounts, so maybe I could do like a different type. I see people do those stealth supermoto mirrors, so maybe we'll do something like that at some point. So anyway, thanks for watching. Kind of just a fun Sunday wrenching and riding video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, keep riding. Have a good one.